Hey friends, today we're talking about the GMC Acadia and the problems that some of these vehicles have with the trouble code P0496. This occurred on the 2009 to 2017 model years on these V6 equipped GMC Acadias. And the culprit for this problem, the P0496, accompanied with hard starting at times, is this evaporative emissions Purge solenoid valve. It's a simple little device that bolts to the engine and allows fuel vapors into the engine at the correct times. If this valve gets stuck open, we have this problem. So it's real simple to replace. One bolt holds it on. And once you've replaced that part, then you're going to want to clear the trouble code so that you can shut off your check engine light. Now, this can be easily accomplished with one of these pocket scanners that you can get for less than $40 on Amazon. So once you clear the code out with this pocket scanner, then your check engine light will go off and you can skip going to the dealer or your mechanic because this fix was nice and simple. So I put a link down in the description for you if you wanted to get one of those Purge solenoids off of Amazon and one of those code scanners as well. So thanks for tuning into the channel, and I hope you have a great day.